Some of the commercialized teaching of mindfulness focuses on bliss and like you can work more effectively and these sort of individual outcomes. And, for people in cultures that lean collectivistic, that's not always a draw. That's not always the way that we're gonna get buy-in. And then sometimes, of course, in mental health settings, they're delivered in a very mechanistic, scripted way and feel a little disconnected or vague. Sometimes issues around detachment and no self and those Buddhist-based ideas are front-loaded, which can draw some people in. And for others, it can feel like, oh, that doesn't land quite right. Issues of detachment, right? So there's, I think, ways that we can access benefits, the beauty of mindfulness practices or contemplative practices that keep in mind and consider different ways that some of these practices, some of the delivery of the practices may not always land. I'm thinking particularly of supervised students at a mission for people experiencing homelessness in Los Angeles. And many of them over the years have said, the mindfulness scripts aren't working here. Some of the metaphors, so this culturally grounded invitation is to think about how we can ultimately be more effective in our work. So this really is connected to the idea that there are many paths into presence, many paths into presence. So this culturally grounded invitation is to expand our understanding. One piece of that invitation is expand our understanding of those different paths, right? So some may enter mindful awareness through the body, through somatic sensory awareness, through movement, that might be the path into presence, right? Others, the compassion work, the emotional, the relational work may be the most accessible path into presence. Others, the mental focus, the focus on attention and training attention, observation, reflection. That might be the path that really, really resonates. And one that I want to lift up is the path through deep experiencing, through soul, through that feeling, knowing experience that is often, connected to something that feels ancestral, cultural, spiritual,